I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
So Sriram sir, like as part of this course, is this is my first class. I have
Yeah,
one.
yeah. So this is the first class only. Okay. Just a demo class only is completed. Okay. This is first class only. Okay. No worry.
Are we getting video recording of all the
Yes,
classes?
yes, yes. Every class. Yes, I will share that to you also. Okay. Demo class also I will share to you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you for joining for this course. Okay. Like I think everyone will be know right. This is the performance testing online training. Okay. So performance testing, as per our training, I will provide the Loadrunner and JMeter both tool I will give from the online training from the like 45 to 30 days or 30 to 45 days will be finish this course. Every day 1 hour will be class, and every day today's class is completed. Tomorrow will be interview section. What I explained from the what is the concept is completed, along with I will give from the everyday work assignment also. So everyone should prepare the interview point of view, as well as everyone should complete from the work assignment and send the mail to me, because this is the everything real time oriented. Because see, if you are got from the project, if you went from the office, they will give from the same like this only. Okay, they will give from the work, and after completed you need to send the mail. So same process happen from the day one onwards only. Okay, who are is really interested, I want a job, so definitely I want to from the job without anyone support, I want to do from the my job. So who are thinking like this, right? They will only can join, otherwise I will not do from this kind of things. Okay, I will not do the hard work, no need to join these classes. Because every day should I ask from the everyone, every day I need from the mail work, how much you are completed, what you are completed, you need send the report to the through mail. Okay, it's fine everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So just this is not a okay, just your point of only. This is not my point of view, because when you are listen carefully and you are doing from the work assignments, and you need to like day to day how you are sending mail, right? Same way after went from the office also we can do same way. So that is why you need to do from the, this is only your job you can think. Okay, so okay, I got job, I'm doing, so it's a free. Okay, think like that and do from the as a professional way. Once you'll get the job, right, no one will be catch you. Okay, is a good professional guy. So those things are very important from the our class. So thank you. So let's we can move to the our class. So in our training already I explained performance testing. So we can call it as a non-functional testing also we can call. And in the functional testing and non-functional testing, what is difference? Nothing but, so functional testing, anyone have any idea? Like functional nothing but we need to test the application functionality. For example, you can observe here one application is there. So this application, as a functional tester, he will test the each and every step. Okay, this web tour is there, okay, this spelling is correct or not, and in this between space also as per, okay, client requirement it is good or not. Okay, as per client requirement, this web tour background is the blue color or not, and this alignment also correct or not. And like they will check from the each and every in this space, each and every spelling and alignment and everything they need to check as a functional tester. And same to the, you will give from the username password first time will be correct, like username password they will give from the correct and click on login button. So means their test case is pass, and means this is the positive case. Maybe negative case means what, they will give from the username and password and click on the login button. So actually expected results it is not going to the next page. If it is going, that is not a good behavior. Means as a functional tester he will test from the positive way and negative way, and they will check from the alignment, color, and each and every point they will check. That is the functional testing. As a manual tester or automation tester, they will do from the these kind of things. Even this box is like a login is there. So for this box, alignment is correct or not, and spelling is correct or not. So each and every step they need to check positive way as same to the negative way. But as a performance test engineer, as a non-functional tester, no need to check from the these all things, spellings, and give from the positive ways and the negative things. No need from the we want from the negative things. Only we need from the positive things. Nothing but enter username and password. Okay, enter username and password. Click on login button. So it will go to the next page. So that is our job. And after that again we want to click the flights button, and we need to give from the like this is the our business flow. So means as a functional tester and as a non-functional tester, this is the difference. So everyone should understand. Anyone have any doubt also you can ask me, because just you need to aware of the functional what they are doing, as a non-functional testing what we are doing, that should be very important. If someone was to do from the functional testing, so definitely we are not a functional tester, we are a non-functional tester. Like each transaction level, each action level we can test. We are not test from the positive things, sorry, negative things and alignment, this all things. So it's clear, right, everyone? Or anyone any doubt? Okay, so let's jump to performance testing. So what is performance testing? Testing the application behavior under various conditions like load point of view, stress point of view, and scalability, reliability point of view, we need to do from the performance testing. Nothing but Facebook application will be there. So Facebook application, what will happen? Every user using from the Facebook application, because most of the people, so when they are free, everyone using from the Facebook. Okay, not only Facebook, you can observe any application. So just I take as a example Facebook. So what will happen? Everyone is going to the Facebook application. They are doing from the like launch, login, and after that comment, chatting, upload video, download video. They are doing from the different things. So these all number of user access their application. So that is our job. If it is their application number of user access also, their application will be never slow, and the application will be never crash if it is a number of user access also. So these things we need to test from the as a performance testing, as a non-functional tester. So we want to do from the performance testing, we have the tools in the market. What are the tools in the market? Means Loadrunner, Neoload, and JMeter, LoadGen, SourceStar, and we have the IBM tool also will be there. Okay, rational tool. So we have different tools will be there. But in market, most of the companies using from the Loadrunner only 95%. And JMeter is a 3%, Neoload is 1%, remaining all will be, it is like a 1%. Okay, so means why Loadrunner only using, means Loadrunner is the license based tool. So if it is license based tool, we need to showcase to the client, okay, we are using from the license based tool and we need from the more resources from this tool. Means then what will happen? Their budget will be increased. Okay, performance testing point of view, first they told as a 3.6 millions. When you are told as a we are doing from the as a license based tool, then they will increase from the, okay, license based means they need to buy the license, so maybe they need from the more budget. So okay, no, fine, will increase from the 5 millions they loss. Otherwise it is the JMeter is there. JMeter nothing but it's the open source tool, means anyone can download it, anyone can do from the free of cost, do from the performance testing. So you told as a client, okay, we are doing from the open source tool. It's a free of cost. Then client will be immediately ask why you need from the 3.6 millions, because you are using from the free tool. So no need from the this much of budget. We'll give from the only 1 million only will give. Then what will happen? As a company will be loss because only 1 million. So like 1 million means actually 3.62. If it is Loadrunner you are using, they are giving from the 5 millions. Means 4 times will be we are losing company. So that is why companies will be never go with the open source tools. Maximum 95% companies, all MNC based companies, they are using from the license based tool Loadrunner. And as same to the one more thing, if you are very good in Loadrunner, so if you don't know from the any tool, every tool will be similar only. The difference only terminal will be different. So that is why when you are concentrate from the Loadrunner, you are good. Then no need worry of the any other tools. If you get the job, for example, they are given from the JMeter. If you know the Loadrunner, same way, but the difference is the like terminal will be different. That is the Loadrunner tool. This is the JMeter tool. Here only some terminal will be there. Same way, when you are doing from the some different kinds of things, then that is also like some terminal will be different. Okay. So in our training, I will give from the Loadrunner. Once it is completed from the entire Loadrunner, then we can move to the JMeter. Okay, so now let's go to the Loadrunner. Loadrunner, we have 5 components in Loadrunner because we want to from the performance testing. As a Loadrunner, you need from the tool means we need have the 5 components. What are there means virtual user generator, controller, agent process, load generator, and analyzer. What is the virtual user generator? Nothing but we want to record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose. We are using from the virtual user generator. Nothing but just what you are recording that you want to record it, and after that script statement generate point of view we are using from the virtual user generator. So here is a business flow I told. What is the business flow? What is the business flow? So business flow nothing but, okay, simply for example, this is the application, you are think it as a your application. So this is the business flow. Launch the application, and after that enter username and password and click on login button, and after that click on flights button and select from the source and destination. Okay, because we want to book the flight means we need select from the what is the source city, what is the arrival city, and which date you are going, and return date also you need to mention. As same to the seating preferences, type of seats also you need to provide, and click on continue. And this is the available flights from the Frankfurt to Denver from this state. So depends on the your time availability, depends on the cost, you need to select from the which flight is suitable for you. So you can select that and click on that. And after that payment details. So we want to book the flight means definitely we need to provide from the like payment details, like you are give from the your address details along with the credit card and expired card number, and click on continue. So now you can observe, so sign up. So this entire flow we can call it as a business flow. So means in this kind of business flow you want to record means where we can record means virtual user generator. So for example, we can observe, we can see the one more also, one more business flow we can see. Facebook. Okay. So Facebook business flow. What is the business flow? Every application launch and login, and after that Facebook, what we can do? Anyone can explain, no problem. Okay, what you know you can explain. Okay, so everyone should be silent. Why? Hello.
Yes, Sriram. Yeah. We can
Why
understand.
everyone silent? I don't know. Okay, just if you know, so just you can tell me Facebook, right? Everyone we are using. What you can do? Everyone will be know Facebook application or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, what we can do? Launch login,
Password.
password. Yeah, login only we are giving from the username and password. That's fine. Okay. Next step, what you can do?
Friend request.
Friend request. Okay, no problem. After login, you are doing from the friend request. That's good. Okay, next. Huh?
Upload photos and videos.
Yeah, upload photos and video. Okay, that's good. Upload photos and video. And next, chatting, right? Comment, right? Sharing, right? And watching videos also, right? And logout example. So these are the steps. So these steps we can call it as a business flow. Like every application, one business flow will be there. This business flow we can record. Where we can record means using from the virtual user generator, we can record the Sunil mute. Okay, using from the virtual user generator, we can record the business flow. So that is the means virtual user generator is the one component we are doing from the just recording, and after that script recording and enhancement purpose we are using from the virtual user generator. So when you are recording the script, you can record only single user point of view. But what is the performance testing? We want to execute with the multiple users, like 10 users, 100, 2000, 2 lakh user, 3 lakhs also we can test, because that is the performance testing. Because if it is a number of user access also their application, there is no slow response as same to their application will be never crash. That is the main thing. So for example, Facebook will be there. So their application maximum it is accepting 5 lakhs. So you are doing from the 5 lakh user test here. So when you are doing from the 5 lakh user, maybe their application will be slow or their application will crossing. Then we need to inform to the Facebook. Okay, your application up to below 5 lakh is fine. More than 5 lakhs, your application is configuration details are not good. So could you please increase from the your configuration details like CPU, memory, network. So what are the infrastructure details? They need to like increase those things. So in the controller is a one of the component. What is the controller? Nothing but we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view. We are using from the controller. So your script is one user point of view you are recorded. That script you need to push into the controller and you need to execute with the multiple users like 1000 or 2000, and you need to design the scenario. Like we need to execute the test 1 hour, 2 hour. We can do from the different kinds of test, load test, stress test, endurance test. So we can do from the different kinds of test. That all things we are doing from the controller. So very simple definition, controller nothing but we can design the scenario, execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. So agent process and load generator. So load generator nothing but it's one of the machine. It will be generate the load against to the application. That is the one more component. And one more component is the agent process. What is the agent process? Nothing but It is the establish the connection between controller to load generator. It is the interface between the controller to load generator. That is the agent process. So finally, analyzer. What is the analyzer? Nothing but, so for example, here you are done the execution with the 1000 users. So execution is completed, test is completed. We need to analyze the results. Where we can analyze the results? Nothing but using from the analyzer tool, we can analyze the results to find out the bottleneck. Nothing but the, as per client, we are getting from the each and every transaction. For example, these are the transaction, each and every transaction client is given from the each and every transaction don't cross from the more than 2 seconds. They are given as a, we can call it as a SLA, service level agreement. Client is given 2 seconds, but after execution is completed with the 1000 users, example 1000 users, okay, you are observed that launch is taken from the 1.2 second, and this login is happen from the 1.5 seconds, and friend request it is happen from the 1.1 second, okay, and upload video it is happen from the some 2.5 second. And so like that each and every transaction, this transaction time, we need to analyze the results in the using from the analyzer tool. So that is why just we can analyze the results in the analyzer tool. We need to identify the any issues are there, not there. That things we can do. So these are the 5 components. Using these 5 components only, we are doing from the performance testing using the Loadrunner tool. So if you do from the first point to 5th point, then your job will be finished. Your job will be, you can record the business flow and you can execute with the multiple users, and you need to analyze the results. That is your job. Okay, so here you can observe, just you can observe. So you are analyzing the results in the analyzer tool like this. Okay, launch is this and login is this and upload is a 2.5 second. Actual client is how many seconds is given SLA? 2 second, but is that this is the 2.5 second. So then our job will be the like why this upload photo and upload video is taking from the 2.5 second. You need to start the dig the issue. So what is the issue? Maybe issues should be different. Maybe because of the CPU and memory insufficient. Actually you are executed 1000 users, 1000 user point of view CPU memory it is crossing from the more than 85% you are observed. Okay, then what will happen? You don't have from the space, there is memory, there is no CPU. Then what will happen? Your application will be waiting. Then what will happen? Your transaction response time could be increased. So because of that, it is the 2.5 seconds happen. That is the one point. And one more point, what? Maybe application side issue. Application side issue. Application side nothing but, so when you are doing from the manually also, that application is taking high response time you are observe. So means just you are opening from the here only, you are clicking from the username and password and enter from this. If you click from the this login button, what will happen means even though here also it is taking some high time, then that kind of we can call it as a application side issue. And we have the others also will be there. Network issue. So you can observe your network is not good, obviously your page is loading is happening. See, you can observe when we have the much internet, okay, when we are trying to open from the any application, so what will happen? It is like browsing it is happen. So means it is a no network also, it is a because of the network also your transaction response time could be high. And some one more is the DB database. So for example, you are giving from the username and password. What will happen when you are given from the username and password? What will happen means it is going to the database. So when you are click from the login, immediately it is going to the database and it will search the details. Okay, Jojo and password is there, not there, it will check. And queries will be there database side. That query what will happen immediately it will send the back. Okay, username password is there, go to the next page. Maybe because of that query sometime it is taking from the high response time also happen. These all things where we can do means our analyzer we can do. And one more thing, this issue you need to identify only, we are not resolved. We have the teams will be there. For example, CPU memory is there. So what will happen? Just you need to send the mail. Okay, we are executed 1000 user test. So the 1000 user point of view, this CPU is not sufficient. We are getting from the 85% more. Could you please increase from the CPU and memory utilization? Then they will, for example, 4 GB will be there. Then they will increase from the 8 GB. Means you are not doing anything. Just you are need to identify the issue and some team will be resolved. Same to here also application side you are identified. So you are not do from the anything. Application side nothing but development team. So they will check from the their side, their code level, their okay, their class, code level, object, thread level. They will check from the their side, application side. And network side, we have network also some team will be there. Okay, so if it is anything network is slow, it is happening or not, they will check. And database also we have the database team will be there. So miss each and every one just you need to identify the okay because of CPU, because of the application side issue, because of the network issue, because of the database issue. When you are identify and that you should be informed to the particular team. Then they will check from the their side and they will change from the their side. Again we can do from the execution and after that issue resolved you will get from the 1.5 second. Means what happen your results will be good. Then these results you can send to the client. Client will be happy. Okay, each and every transaction we can call it as a each and every step we can call it as a transaction. Okay, each and every transaction as per SLA we are getting. Okay, results will be good. Okay, then this is a fine for our application. That is the your job. Okay, so next we can move to the load runner architecture. So load runner also we have the one architecture will be there. Okay, so what is that? I will show the okay. See, this is the load runner architecture. You can observe what we discussed, only those only there. Vision, controller, analyzer, AP nothing but agent process, LG nothing but load generator, and we have the apart from this web server, app server, and DB server. So here scripting is completed, then that script you can push into the controller and you are doing from the execution. What will happen means when you are giving from the request like you are enter from the username password, click on that. What will happen means the results will be controller to it is going to the LG. The request is going to the through whom going agent process. Agent process to LG it is going the request. And the LG the same request it will send to the web server. And web server the same request is sent to the app server, and app server the same request is sent to the DB server. In the DB server it will search the details. Okay, username password Kiran and Kiran123 will be there, not there, it will check. Okay, will be there, then you will get the response. Okay, go to the next page. Means you are getting the response. DB server it is sending the response to the app server. App server the same response it will send to the web server, and web server the same response it will send to the LG. Final will get from the as a user. So means you can observe you are sending the request, you are getting the response. This round trip of request and response we can call it as a response time. Means this one. we are seen right here. Launch is this many 1.2 second. How it is happening means that. So this round trip is going like it is going to the here to here. Request is going to the file DB. It will fetch the details and send the response. You can observe when you are giving from the username password will run, you will get from the message. Okay, so you can see here will give from the wrong username password. Click on this. Immediately you are getting the response. Web tour error, incorrect username password. So this is also response, but this is the invalid response. Okay, so means when you are giving from the request and you are sending the response, this round trip of request and response we can call it as a response time. Everyone is clear this?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Clear.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So today I'm stopping from up to here. Okay. So today task. Okay. Everyone should be prepared from the interview questions. What is the performance testing? What are the tools in the market? And how many components we have? Each component, what is the use of that component? And Loadrunner architecture. So up to this, I will ask from the interview questions. Okay, because 1 or 2 days will be we can discuss like this, and after that we can entirely go into the everything is practical. After that, it will start your work assignment also. This is from the today onwards will be interview session. Everyone should participate, and everyone will be like before like first 10 minutes will be this is only happen interview session. After that, it will class will be start. Okay, so thank you for joining, and do you have any doubts you can ask me. Anyone have any doubts regarding this class or anything?
No doubt.
Is everyone is good?
Yeah.
I think 1 or 2 people only speaking. We have the total will be 4 people. In that 1 or 2 people only speaking. Other people's what happened? So when you are like a class is going, you should participate. Then only you should be active. Otherwise, what will happen? You are seeing the mobile. Your mind is not present here. Okay, so thank you for joining, and we'll meet from the tomorrow also same time. We'll continue our classes. Thank you everyone. If anyone have any doubts, you can call me also my phone number. Okay, I think everyone should group right. You can call me, and you can ping me WhatsApp, whatever maybe. What is the communication you can convenient, you can do it. Thank you everyone. Bye.